Hello everyone, welcome to class. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to remove background from your pictures to create PNG files. PNG is an acronym for Portable Network Graphics, and PNG files are ideal for digital art and digital works like icons, logos, flyers. They are pictures with transparent background. By default, most apps give the picture a white background, but this one gives it a transparent background, and that's what you see on flyers. That is what is on the flyer of this group. There are two ways to achieve that. Before this class, I knew just one, but when I was preparing for this class, I discovered another one. So I'm going to take you through the two methods, and it's going to be your choice on which one to use, because both methods actually require internet. You need active subscription to be able to achieve the two. So in order not to explain abstractly, this is what I'm trying to achieve. I created this product display picture by removing the backgrounds of all the item. This dress is the only thing that the seller wants to sell or the seller wants to show off, but I had to surf the internet for complementary accessories, the shoes, the bag, the scarf. I had to surf the internet, then remove the background of all, and did this in I had to edit a picture professionally. I'm going to take you through that. That's a separate video on its own. So this is what we're trying to create, and this is a picture we are going to use to achieve that. For the first method, we are going to go to your browser. I like Chrome. Chrome is the browser I use most of the time. Then type remove.bg. I have it already here. Then click on go to load the URL. Then the next thing you do is to click on upload image, and you have three options. You can either choose from your photo library, which is the gallery of your phone, take photo, which directs you to the camera of your phone, or choose file from save files on your phone. So I'm going to go to photo library, then select the picture and click on choose. And in less than 10 seconds, I have the background removed. Can you see that? For Android users, once you download, click on download here, it will download to your phone. But because I use iPhone, I have to go one step further. So I'm going to click on download and click on open in new tab on the bottom right part of my screen. Then click on save image. And I have it saved to the gallery of my phone. So for the second method, we are going to use pixel cut. Click on it and wait for it to open. It's coming up. Then the next thing you're going to do, this app is actually created for products, to edit products. So if you sell fashion items like bags, shoes, this app is going to give you really great pictures, professional pictures. So you click on this plus sign with blue circle, the plus sign inside the blue circle, you click on it. Then you have several options, but we are going to click on photos, which takes you to the gallery of your phone. Select the picture. This is the picture with the background, so we're going to select this, then slide to remove background, and in few seconds we have it here. So what I did not know is that I can actually modify this default background to become transparent. So I'm going to click on continue. Then you have two options here. You have the first option, the image, to edit the image itself, and we have background to edit the background. So I'm going to click on background, and on the opacity here, I'm going to reduce it to nothing and click on this mark. So after that, I'm going to click on share on the upper part of my screen. Let me take that again. Click on share and save to camera roll, and that way it is saved to the gallery of my phone. It's as simple as that.